A worker is carrying boxes and walking into a shop. At the same time, a girl is coming out and angrily pushes the door, hitting him. Upset, she starts scolding him, saying, "You ruined my clothes." Then she shoves the worker and walks away. Nearby, a dog sitting on the ground watches everything. The worker tries to open the shop gate with the boxes in his hands but struggles to do so. Seeing this, the dog comes over, grabs the rope tied to the gate with its mouth, pulls it, and opens the gate, helping the worker. The worker, happy and grateful, smiles and feeds the dog with his hand.